Green means go, not red.
Good morning.
Morning.
What are you doing here today?
Well, just doing some racing.
Where are we at?
Lucas Oil, Indianapolis, for UCC.
UCC 24. What's the game plan here? We got qualifying one.
Yep. Q1. Go out and try and hit the number, I suppose.
I think you can do it.
I think so. Hopefully.
All right. What's important today?
Don't jinx me.
Green means go.
Green means go, not red.
Not red. How you feeling today, brother?
Great weather.
Yeah,
Feeling
it's
good
very nice out here today.
compared to normal.
Yeah.
Normally what, 100 degrees?
Usually UCC's hot as hell. So what do you think? Just right off the trailer, nice rip, should go down and through, or what?
DA's within 100 foot of Florida.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do exactly what I did there and see what it does.
Hell yeah. Well, good luck, brother.
Hopefully 590.
590.
590, 6019 for That storm's out of it early. Coast in 590, 109 miles an hour. At 597.1 for Cody Hill, Brian Risers. Kyle, 6061. As before this morning, 656.3, not going to be quick. Cunningham wins off early and still too quick. 587.2. Meanwhile, Colin Edwards with 733.0. For Neil Yeager, Skyler 4609. That's the stripe. Bastard for the... Be careful not to break out puff of smoke for Edwards. We'll go for a ride 593.0. Way overcooked it. I don't know if he Only having two-wheel drive, that seems to be the signal. Off he goes, a little stutter at the shift in a 6:16.3 at 119. And we take the drive around to end round one. The 590 index.
Hey, buddy. You ready?
Yeah,
Ready to tackle it?
I am.
It's been a hectic weekend.
Yeah, it's been strange. Off the trailer, I went 617. I've never been 617 a day in my life. So we trying to figure out what's changed on our end that would make it go slow. Hopefully this next grip kind of gives us a little more data. I spun last pass because we had a bye run, and last year I had Nathan Banster second round at UC here, and I went 002 red. So hopefully history doesn't repeat itself, and
You'll be all right.
make a good pass. Yeah. We slowed my nitrous ramp down a little bit because it was coming on too aggressive. That's why I spun off the line.
Yeah.
And so I went down a little bit in jet size and ramped it in a little bit better on the nitrous controller. So hopefully that's the A to B ticket here.
Yeah, and I mean it's been a crazy weekend.
Yep.
And rain and weather
Yep.
and track conditions have changed probably
Yep.
pretty rapidly and
Yes.
from day to day.
Yep.
So how important is it to really try to nail that tune-up and those different things
It's
to hit the
very,
numbers?
yeah, it's very, very important, especially with the field of guys we have here. Every person here, I feel like everybody's been all over the board this weekend, including myself.
Yeah.
And now we're, 3-4 rounds in, and people are getting their stuff dialed. So hopefully we can also get ours, because it's very important, very important that you get it dialed. Cut a good light and run the number. You gotta.
And this has been probably the largest 590 class of the year.
Yes. Yep. By
Yeah.
a double probably at least.
By
Because there
double.
was probably only 8 people in North Carolina. There was like 19 this time. So
Right.
good for the sport, good for us, good racing, good for the fans, everybody. So
But it definitely kind of messes with the points a little bit
It
because
does.
we've got
Yep.
North Carolina got rained
Yep.
out, and then now we've got extra competitors
Yes.
here that
It-
could shake up points that
it
don't
could be.
really
It's
need
going to
it.
be crazy. Fingers crossed, everything goes good in our end this pass, and we go to the next round. So
Perfect. Good luck, brother.
thanks, man. Appreciate it.
You ready for round 2?
Yeah, man, I'm ready. I'm excited.
How you feeling?
Great.
Well,
Just did my first 5-second pass last round, so
nice.
did 93.
93. So you got it pretty well dialed in, or?
It's a tough call. This class is so tight, but I'd like to think it's pretty decent to maybe stick with them, but we'll see.
Well, congratulations on the 5, man.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Awesome. What's the game plan?
Not break out, not red light, and win. Exactly.
Who you racing?
Fairly new to the class, I think he is. But I think he raced 670 and stuff in the past.
They're getting fired up. I ain't gonna hold you. Get to it.
He got oiled down in the right lane. Soon he stepped on the brake, the rear end was all over the racetrack. We got ready?
The Outlaw Diesel Revenge at a 593.1 and is slowing 97 miles an hour.
That's a pretty big check.
I finally got a big check. I'm so happy about it. ODSS series, best racing series I've ever been a part of. It's amazing out here. We absolutely love the competitiveness. And I'm so happy, so excited. Happy to be here.
590 was a pretty large class this weekend.
I felt like we were racing for 2 days straight. I mean, it was unreal. Just how close everybody was, and the rain holding us up. It's been a long day for sure, but happy how it ended.
Damn right. See that big check.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Big checks only. I want to thank Hardway Performance for all the help getting the truck dialed in. Ryan's amazing. Really thankful for him.